these your wheels?
Yeah, it is.
You finally got them?
This is 24s.
What car are these for?
It's a BMW Wraith.
You gonna go deliver them?
No. Mono. I'm so tired. Bro, you don't even imagine how tired I am.
You're always tired.
Bro, like 7 people call me at the same time. They want all 7 and they want answers.
Alright guys, we've done a lot of Wraiths in the past. The Wraiths are getting a little bit outdated now, unfortunately, but man, look at this stunner right here. This car is beautiful. This is actually a low mileage, newer Wraith. The customer got it with about 30 miles on it, so really awesome Wraith. It was white. We wrapped the top half in satin white. So as you can see, all this up here is satin white. We wrapped inside the grille slits all satin white, but we left a little bit of chrome here and there. The emblems have been painted in chrome and white for a nice little touch as well. Obviously, RDB signature 3-piece wheels right there, the best looking wheels on the market. This wheel has been the hottest looking wheel, I think, for the last year and a half. A lot of brands are copying it, mimicking it, putting it on cars that they would never expect to put it on. Now we see them on everything. So buy it from the real source, guys. Help us out. As you can see, the cap in the middle. In the middle, we did white with a chrome RR in the middle. So that's all customized. Car's been lowered perfectly as well. This is in low mode, so it's for pictures, but when you drive, it goes a little bit higher and it drives very comfortably. The back, we have a little custom spoiler as well, and that's about it on this car. Looks amazing in all white with those brushed polished RDB signature wheels. One of my favorite Wraiths to date because white and chrome goes really hard, and this one's done properly. So hope you guys enjoy it.
Alright guys, it's been a very busy week and we don't have much content, so we're just gonna make some stuff up. How was your weekend?
This means he's bored. It was good. Thank you for asking.
Monday to Friday, how was the process of work?
So Monday, it was good.
Monday was good.
Tuesday wasn't good.
Wasn't good. Why wasn't it good Sunday? So Tuesday.
Tuesday was too busy.
Well, busy is good, right?
Yeah, but sometimes I'm just one with 10 employees. That's hard.
10 employees?
Yes.
That's hard. But what are you doing right now?
It's 6:15. We close at 6. So I'm trying.
What time did you get to work today?
8 o'clock.
No, what time were the gates open?
7:59.
7:59. And what time do employees have to start working?
8 o'clock.
So you had 1 minute to open up the gate and do everything.
Even if you open up the shop 7:30, the employees, they will sing.
They will sing, right?
Yeah. They have to eat breakfast before they
That's
work.
fine. So who takes care of that? The manager, right? And who's the manager of the body shop?
Okay, so this is my job. I have 10 employees under me. I have to deal with estimating, I have to deal with adjusters, I have to deal with phone calls, and I have to deal with these 2 people. It's more than 10 people. Every time they text me, call me.
And if it wasn't for these 2 people,
Yeah.
you wouldn't be here. You wouldn't be a people.
No.
You wouldn't have a job. Who's gonna hire you?
Yeah, you were the first one.
Come on. I talked to you first, and I really liked you. You gave me a fake resume,
Yeah.
and you just littered again, by the way.
¿Qué onda, vato?
Why don't you lift the car up?
Huh?
Why don't you put the car on the lifts?
Yeah, this kind of cars doesn't fit in those lips.
Why?
The hoist is too high. And this car is too freaking low.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Wow. Not too long ago we changed this one. When Sarkis go out from the garage, it crashes. Love you.
Right here, we got this really crazy factory spec purple on purple Rolls Royce Cullinan. Belongs to an NBA champion, Dwight Howard. He's a Lakers. He's back this year. Super excited to see them. We're making a custom NBA championship trophy for the Spirit of Ecstasy, and it's gonna be in gold. So we're gonna be doing that, and yeah, we're gonna talk about the car. It's really cool. This door is malfunctioning, so we're gonna check that out. But let's open it up, show you this really awesome interior. Yeah, this is all factory spec. So basically purple on purple. It's got the captain seats in the back. That's an option. Yeah, it's a heavy loaded Cullinan. We're excited to work on this thing for Dwight Howard. It has the curtains, all that stuff. So this is a really awesome Cullinan. But let's show you guys the rear seats. We showed you this before. Sarkis, you know how to make that work?
Of course, it's a BMW. I'm BMW expert. This is how cool it is.
So the maximum weight limit of this is 250 pounds. Obviously, you can't sit on it.
251.
But yeah, this thing is pretty cool. It's actually removable. It's all automatic.
How would you like to see yours?
I don't think anybody that has this actually uses it, to be honest. Would you want this in your M5?
Hell yeah. It's crazy. This is what BMW makes.
So yeah, let us know what you think about this crazy purple Cullinan. Okay guys, proud to announce our October shirt right here, limited edition of course again. This is in our vintage t-shirt colorway, so it's stone washed. These are again our own cut and tailored shirts, all custom made for RDB according to our specs. It's a very nice fitting, kind of loose shirt. And for October we went with this skull right there, which is sick. And obviously the RDB LA in the middle. And the RDB actually is made out of wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers. It says auto shop right there. Nothing in the back for that clean look. And again, limited edition. This is a sick one for October. Personally, one of my favorites. I'm wearing it right now. I'm wearing a size small, actually. I size down even more, but I would probably wear a medium when I wash it. So really dope. Get on there. I mean, who has carbon fiber RDB hangers, by the way? This definitely doesn't come with it. So a hanger is not even sold separately because we don't sell that. This shirt is sick. Too bad Sarkis is never gonna have one.
By the way, he has the original hoodie. When did you even find this? This is like the first
Look
one
how
ever.
sexy you would look in this that you would never have it
You would
though.
look good in this.
Yeah, at least the logo is in the bottom of your tits with that one.
So I'm gonna get a lot.
Yeah, but this hoodie's vintage, by the way. It is crazy.
It's a crazy one. I have it almost a year and a half.
This hoodie is vintage.
So is his feet.
I'm tired.
If you weren't tied, what would it be? More open?
This is how Sarkis walks around. Remember the thing?
Oh man. You're a good. I don't care what they say about you, bro. You're a good guy.